There are three types of market structure. We have the uptrend, the downtrend, and the range. The first thing you should do when you open your chart is to look at the overall structure of the market from the higher time frame. If it is an uptrend or a downtrend or a range. As you see here, the market has been ranging. The market has been ranging here. It's been an uptrend, and then when the market got here, it started ranging. This is GBP USD. So let's take this back so I can show you what an uptrend looks like on the chart. Okay, I get a perfect example here. So uptrend is like a staircase. You're climbing it to the top. Let's go back to the visual illustration. This is it. Uptrend is like a staircase. You're climbing it to the top. We have break of structures. It simply means buyers are in charge of the market. You want to follow the trend by trading the trend and not against the trend. So this is a photo illustration of how the uptrend looks like. Let's go back to the chart. This is it. I'm coming, guys. This is it. The market from here started breaking structure. From here, it broke the structure here. It broke this structure up to the upside. It broke this structure here to the upside. It came down. It broke this other structure here up to the upside. This is it. And then when it got up here, it started changing character by breaking the previous low. So this is what we call change of character. So what is a downtrend? Let's go back to the photo illustration to explain better for a clearer understanding what a downtrend is. Downtrend is like a staircase going to the ground floor. The break of structure is to the downside, unlike uptrend, where the break of structure was to the upside. It means sellers are stronger in the market, and you should be looking for more of sells than buys until CHoCH happens. CHoCH means change of character. In other words, a change of trend. So let's go back to the chart so I can show you a visual on the chart what a downtrend looks like on the chart. So this is a downtrend. As you saw here, buyers had the market from here up to this point, and then a change of character is considered valid when the market breaks the previous low, then comes back to retest it and keeps going down. Okay, so as you can see, the market has been an uptrend until it got to this point, and when it got to this point, sellers took over, started selling. So CHoCH is considered valid when the market breaks the previous higher low. That's when you know the sellers have taken over. So as you can see here, sellers took over the market, and it's been a downtrend. It's been a downtrend from here. This is where sellers took over. So this is our supply zone. This is where sellers took over from here to this point. So as you can see, a downtrend is like a staircase, break of structure to the downside. So what is a range market? Let's go back to the photo visual to have a clear illustration of how a range market looks like before we come back to the chart. So this is a range market. Range market is like a room with no staircase. You're jumping up and down. You can't break above the ceiling and can't break below the floor. You're just on the same spot. So let's go back to the chart so I can show you on the chart a perfect example of a range market. Let's see. This is a perfect example of a range market on the 15-minute time frame. From here, market got here, it went up, it came down, it went up, it came down, it went up. So no structure. It's not breaking any structure to the upside or to the downside. You understand? So this is what we call a range market. This alone itself is a strategy. So you're either trading the trend, whether it's an uptrend or a downtrend, or you're trading the range of the market. So these are the three basic structures of the market. If you learned anything from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss my next video. In my next video, I'll be explaining support and resistance, how to draw support and resistance in the most simplest term.